One thing I'm observing nowadays that many people they are using technology and leveraging technology to share their knowledge, skills with the world, and that is the best way of using technology. But I've also observed that many people they are in very hurry to teach. I've seen few people. I think it's a little early in their life when they start teaching to people. See, I strongly believe in this point that at every point of time, you are at a place where there are people who are below you and they want to learn or they want to reach where you have reached in your life, and there are people above you and you have to learn from them and you want to reach there. I agree on this at any point of time. But when it comes to monetization of that skill, when it comes to actually asking people to invest their time, money, then you have to reach a level where you can give significant value to these people. Now, you can give significant value only. I don't see any other way if that particular skill which you are teaching, which you are sharing with people, that particular skill has played a vital role in your life. For example, take public speaking. The only reason I think or I thought to teach public speaking to people, and very carefully using the word teach, because when it comes to teaching, you can't just teach philosophies. You have to teach techniques and methods which they can learn and implement in their life. I decided to teach public speaking only when I realized that, oh my God, this simple skill is really changing my life. It's helping in my professional life. It's helping me as an entrepreneur when I stand in front of my team members, or in front of my clients, or in front of my investors. Even as a solo traveler, when I'm traveling, this skill is really helping me to strike conversation, manage conversation. So I thought this one simple skill not only changing my personal life, even my professional life. Then I decided to share that skill with people. And then I'm expecting that the kind of changes which I have seen in my life, I should witness the same kind of changes in others. But if you are very early in sharing the skill, then it's not fair with the time investment and money investment. So, what is the yardstick? When we are ready to share any skill, I think the answer to this question is very simple. Close your eyes and ask yourself the skill which you are trying to teach, has that skill changed your life? If you are teaching leadership, are you a good leader in your life? Did you make a team? Is your team respecting you? If you are a good public speaker, if you are teaching public speaking, is public speaking really helping in your life? Whatever skill, if it has not changed your life, it cannot change others' life. And I must tell you this, teaching is easy, learning is difficult. I think let's spend time, maximum time in learning. Then, of course, we can adopt technology and we can teach millions of people.